so nice.
And bananas you can pick right off a tree. We got volleyball and ping pong and a lot of candy games. But we ain't got days. We get packages from home, we get movies, we get shows, we get speeches from our skipper and advice from Tokyo Ghost. We get letters down with quite a few million dizzy from the smell. But don't forget, you know darn well.
We got nothing to look masculine and cute for.
There is nothing like a dame, nothing in the world. There is nothing you can name that is anything like a dame. We feel lonely and we long for the fair and gentle sex. We would like to feel the feeling of some arms around our necks. We feel hungry as a wolf out waiting and red riding hood. What don't we feel? We don't feel good.
Lots of things in life are beautiful, but brother, there is one particular thing that is nothing whatsoever in any way, shape, or form like any other.
There is nothing like a dame, nothing in the world. There is nothing you can name that is anything like a dame. There are no books like a dame.